question na. Okay, let's see. Addition and subtraction already we have finished, and I hope so that it is clear to all of you. Now today we will start the multiplication. Multiplication of algebraic expression. है ना? Multiplication of algebraic expression. But one chapter is there, exponent. In that chapter, we will study the laws of exponent. But let's see, little bit we will discuss here.
What is the meaning of exponent?
I'm just telling it. Just going to discuss. Anna? But today we are not going to start the exponent chapter. Let's see. If it is x to the power 4 and x to the power 3, Anna? X to the power 4. This is the exponential form. This is exponent power. Anna? It is called power, and it is called base. It is called base, and it is called power. है ना? समझ
Sir,
रहे?
why we give power?
Beta, why we are giving power? We are just going to understand the concept that how we will multiply the algebraic expression. Okay. It is known as power. I have not given here power. We are just going to understand the concept. Let's see first. Let me complete, then you can ask me. Okay. So let's see. It is base. But when base, here base is x na?
X.
And power is
3.
Power
Cube.
is
Cube.
It means 3 na?
Yes.
Here power is, here base is x and power is 4. Here base
4.
is x, power is 3.
3.
है ना? So one law is there in exponent. If the bases are equal, bases are same, then we can add their powers. So here, what is base of this? X and x. So
X.
both are equal, both are same.
Yes,
So
sir.
as the statement, we can add their power like x 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3.
7. 7.
4 plus 3, that is 7. Understood? So if the question will be multiply 3x to the power 4 and 2x to the power 4. So where you will do the mistake? You will multiply it 4 4 ja 16. 4 4 ja 16. At that time you will do the mistake. So we don't have to do like this. We have to do as I have told you right now. Anna? So here it becomes C. Coefficient we will multiply. Coefficient of that
We will multiply.
we will multiply. So it becomes 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6. 3 to the 6 na? Now variable. What is variable here? That is x. That is we can see bases are x and both are equal and their powers are 4 and 4. So we can do x into 4 plus 4. So final answer will be 6x and 4 plus 4, that is 8.
Sir,
6x 8.
So let's take another example. When we will solve the questions now, all things will be clear. Okay, let me write few questions. it is 6ab multiply 6ab and 4b. 6ab and 4b. One thing we can do, first we have to write 6ab multiplied by 4b, है ना? In previous classes we have already learned that how we used to arrange the terms. So let's see, here we will do, first write their coefficient, like 6 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 4, and what will left then? A multiplied by B multiplied by B,
B multiplied by B.
है ना? A multiplied by B, AB multiplied by B.
B.
So it becomes 4 ja 20, 6 4 ja 24, and बच्चा it is A. And right now I have told you if bases are equal then we can add their powers. हम उसके powers को add कर सकते हैं. So here power of B that is 1, and here power of B that is also 1.
सर
है ना?
A में power नहीं है
A में power है
तो
तो A
उसको
का
भी
यहाँ कोई, अब क्यों काम नहीं है? तो अगर A का पावर देखो कहाँ मिस्टेक करोगे, अगर आप करोगे A into 1 plus 1 like this, no, it is wrong.
Sir.
Now what I told you, that the
Sir,
base should be must equal, same, base same होना चाहिए. यहाँ base क्या है? B. यहाँ पे base क्या है?
B.
What is base? B. Here base is
B.
here in the first one.
A.
So both are same.
No sir. No sir.
No, so we can't add, no. Only these two are equal. These two are same. So we can write B 1 plus 1. Not 24 A B 1 plus 1, that is
2.
2. So that is your required answer. Understood? Okay, let me write the next question. Four x y by 3x y x square y square. थोड़ा बड़ा कर दिया ना. Let's see what we can do. 4xy multiplied by 3x square y square. मानव एंड साक्षी म्यूट करो अपने आप को बच्चा. म्यूट करो. Let's see. It is 4xy and 3x square y square. First I told you multiply their coefficient together. So coefficient of this and this, that is 4 and 3.
4 and 3.
4 and 3 na. So what is coefficient? So 4 and 3 now multiply x into y into x square into y square. We can write na 4 into 3, then what is left here?
समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
मैंने बोला first we will multiply their coefficient. It is visible or not?
Yes sir.
Visible.
So first we will multiply. देखो ये दोनों को multiply करने हैं. तो first we are going to multiply. Few things we should know. कि अगर मैं 3 into 4 लिखूं या 4 into 3, what we will get? 3 4 जा
12. 12.
4 3 जा
12.
12. In rational number already this all we have studied, है ना? So 3 into 4 that is 12. 4 into 3, that is 12. If I will write x into y or y into x, the value will be same or different? Bata. If we will write x into y or y into x, the value will be same or different? Same value will be, na? How different will be, bacha? 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12. 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. So y, x multiplied by y or y multiplied by x, same value will be there, na? बोलो. Rational number में ही हम लोग पढ़े थे. Already we have studied this. So see, x, y can be written. See, here it is multiply, sign of multiplication. So it can be written as x into y also. है ना? Understood? Again,
Yes,
see,
sir.
x into y, the value will be same, or y into x, value will be same. How? See, हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था commutative properties. Commutative properties with addition, subtraction, multiplication, है ना? If we will put the value, put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2. 1 multiplied by 2, what we will get?
2.
2. Again see, y, value of y, that is
2.
and value of x, that is 1, that is 2. Now what we will say, that whether we will write, either we will write x into y or y into x, the value will be same.
Same.
हम लोग पढ़े थे ना बच्चा, इसमें commutative properties with addition में पढ़े थे, that if a plus b, if a and b are two rational numbers or two integers, whatever, है ना? If you will write a plus b or b plus a, the value will remain same.
Yes, sir.
Remain same, na?
Yes, sir.
Also, in multiplication, same. If a multiplied by b, if you will write a into b or b into a, the value will remain same. All the chapters, all the concepts are connected to each other. So don't forget, just try to revise all the chapters that already we have finished. है ना? So a plus b, that is b plus a into b, we can also write b into a. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see now. We have to multiply 4xy and 3x square y square. Right now I told you that we have to multiply their coefficient, so it becomes 4 into 3. Now here it becomes xy. Break it. It can be written x into y.
Yes, sir.
X. But what is left here? X square
Multiplication.
y square. है ना? Okay, let's see now. Now arrange it. Arrange it means write the same variable together. Same variable means here it is x, here it is y. So we can write this x and this x together, and y together. So it becomes 4 3 ja
12.
12. Now arrange it. X into, first write this one, x square, then this one, y, then y square. Now tell me, here what I told, if the bases are equal, then we can add their powers. So it becomes
Yes.
1 plus 2, here power is 1, na? Here
Yes,
power is
sir.
1, power
Yes.
is also 1. So it becomes 1 plus 2. And then what is left here? Y 1 plus 2. So 12, x 1 plus 2, it becomes 3, and y 1 plus 2, that is 3.
3.
Now don't do the mistake, we have to leave it here. Now we can't write like this, 12x y 3 plus 3 ऐसे हम लोग नहीं लिख सकते. We can't write like this, you know. Yes, no. So this is the
Sir.
wrong way. Because why we can't write? Ask me. We can't write like this. Understood? Because here bases are not equal. It is x, it is y, so both are not same. Both are not same. That's why we have to leave it here. We will study all the properties in that chapter. Let's write the questions from your book. Multiply, first one is 3a square and 8 4 square. 8a to the power 4. Next is minus 6x to the power of minus 5x to the power 2. है ना? Next is third one. Minus 4ab and then minus 3a square bc. चलो solve it. Solve it. Now I am going to remove them, those who have stopped their videos. है ना? In few seconds I will remove them.
Sir, question का आंसर 12a6 है.
12. How 12 will be answered?
No sir, no sir. 24.
24.
A6.
A6. What A6? A to the power 6. Next is
सॉल्व कर रहे हैं.
हो गया. दिव्यांश राव बैठे हुए हो. दिव्यांश. दिव्यांश.
Sir,
Where are you?
sir, in second question there is written minus 6x is 3.
Minus 6x to the power 5 and 5x to the power 2.
सर ठीक से दिख ही नहीं रहा. Not visible. The word.
That is visible.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
answer
Divyansh?
is minus 37 by 2.
हाँ.
Sir, The answer of two number is minus 30x to the power 7.
Right answer.
Mm.
Next is
Solving.
let's say it is 3 multiplied by 8 and a to the power 4. Sorry, a to the power 2 plus a to the power 4. It becomes 8 to the 24 and a to the power 6. So 24 to the power 6. Next becomes minus 6, 5, 30, minus 6 and 5. And this x to the power 5 plus, we can write
minus
minus
30x
x to the power
7.
7. Now this one is, what we can write? Minus
Solve
4
the
multiplied by minus 3. Okay, solve it, then I'll solve.
yes, sir.
12a cube b square c.
12 a
square
cube b squared c.
C. Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check it.
Yes, sir.
पहले सबका आंसर सुन लीजिएगा.
सबका आंसर. minus 4 3 a to the power 3 b. Right answer. Let's see. Now we have to write a, then b, then a square into b into c. है ना? So it becomes 12 multiplied by a into a square b into b plus, sorry, multiplied by c. Or 12 into a to the power 1 plus 2 and b to the power 1 plus
B to
1.
the power 1 plus 1 and
12 1 plus 2, that is 3
A to the power 3. B
becomes to the power
2 C.
one is right answer. Next question. Minus 3 by 4, sorry, 14 minus 3 by 14 x y to the power 4 multiplied by 7 by 6 x cube y. Solve it. Solve it. Let's see how we can solve. When we will solve it, it becomes minus 3 14 and here it becomes 7 by 6 7 by then
Six.
bacha x to the x into y to the power 4 and x cube y. सही ना?
XQY. Yes, sir.
है ना?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
7 to the
14. Answer 3 1
and
3 3 6.
so what we
Minus
left
1
here?
by 4.
Minus 1 ना? It is minus 1 and 2 to the
4.
है ना? Now
Yes,
here
sir.
what
1 by 4
x
x to the power 4 y to the power 5.
Sir,
x to the power here it is 1 and here it is 3. So we can write 1 plus 3. Okay, let's
Yes, sir.
x to the power 1 into x to the power 3 and y to the power
Sir,
4
x4,
and
y5.
to the power 4 and y to the power 1. है ना?
1. Yes, sir.
It is minus 1 by 4 x to the power 1 plus 3 and y to the power 4 plus 1, and it becomes minus 1 by 4 x to the power 1 plus 3, that is 4, and x to the power y 4 plus 1, that is 5. That is required answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see the another type. Another type means when we have to given the values of x and y and whatever the other variables, and we have to solve them. How we can solve it? Let's see. One question is given. Multiply. How much time is left?
10 minutes.
Sir, 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Multiply minus 2 by 3 a square b by a square b by 6 by 5 a cube b square, and verify result for a is equal to and b, a is equal to 2 and is equal to 3. चलो कंप्लीट करो इसको. Ten minutes is left. Can anyone solve it?
Sir, I can solve it.
Yes, you can solve it. Then solve it. What we can write? Solution C. We have to multiply it minus 2 by 3 a square b and then 6 by 5 a cube b square. यही ना? But whatever the product will come, that becomes RHS, and this one is LHS. Whatever the product will come, the result when we will multiply these two terms, है ना? We will get something